So we're back working on this 2013 F-150. Just brought it in from the freezer. And I posted a video a couple days ago with me trying to flash a used ECM, or BCM I should say, in this truck. But heater controls don't work on the used one. I tried two different used ones. Because somebody in my one of my subscribers recommended that I try flashing with as-built data, I don't think I've actually done that, so I'm going to try reflashing the used BCM with Ford IDS and the BCM2 and as-built data instead of using the file from the previous BCM in case it's corrupt. So here we go. I've got the used BCM installed, T on. I'm going to go to Toolbox, Module Programming, and as built BCM. Key is on. So what this should do is act as if the original BCM is corrupt to the point where you can't get the data out of it, and it should pull the programming right from Ford, and hopefully that fixes the issue, but I'll be surprised if it does. It's going to ask me in a second if I was directed here. Now I don't know if it copied the original programming out of the BCM and that, where it said attempting to copy data from the network, or if it actually got it off of Ford's service. Okay, were you directed here from another procedure such as programmable module installation and module program to obtain part numbers? I'm going to say yes. So it's going to get the programming file from Ford now. I'm using IDS 120.06, which is the current software. You may now return to the procedure that directed you here. Okay. This would be awesome if it works. There's a lot of time where this looks like it's not doing anything, but it's actually downloading files. I'll pick up when we get to the next spot. Okay. So I don't know if I'm continue here or not, or if it's done. Wow, that's misleading. I'm not sure if it's already done or not. Well, I'm not sure if it did this correctly or not, so I'm going to go into Module Reprogramming BCM and see what it says. Key is on. This IDS software is not very intuitive. If you don't know what you're doing, if you're not a Ford tech, it's challenging to say the least. I mean, once you get used to it, it's not so bad, but it's not like you can hover over top of these symbols here and you get an explanation of what they do. I guess you're supposed to have Ford service training to know what you're doing. So I get this message, says no later calibration is available for this BCM. Okay. Well, let's have a look and see if it's corrected the issue. I doubt it. So I'm trying again, but this time I answered no to the question, were you sent here by a programming procedure? And it says this function resets configuration data in the module back to its original factory settings. Only the configuration data is changed during this process. It does not affect the calibration level of the module. Manual or automatic? Let's try manual. multiple screens for the entry configuration data in the as-built database. PTS home. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay. So I looked all over this Ford website and I finally ended up Googling it to find this link in a forum. Oh, I gotta put FBE in here. So this is what I need. That's BCE modules. What the heck? PCM, BCE, body control. Well, we'll have a look and see if this makes sense. So I manually entered all the data, but I may have mistyped a number. So we'll try again. The 2201. Let me go back here and look at this again. 726-2201 address. 726-2201. 0104-2828 AF. 0104-2828 AF. Well, I don't know what to do now. It keeps saying it's incorrect. Maybe check this one. 026-2220-2201. 726-2201. That's the one it's saying is incorrect. 726-2201. 726-2201. 0104-2828 AF. 0104-2828 AF. Yeah, so it's not liking that particular address, and I don't know why. It says ensure the following action has been taken. The key is on. It could be that we just can't use a used BCM in this model year Ford. It says it's complete. Now I still need to do a PATS relearn and a TPMS relearn and all that stuff. But if the heater controls don't function right now, there's no point going ahead with that. So the radio controls work, but the heater controls don't respond to the dial. They light up, but the temperature doesn't change. Now, possibly this came out of a truck with a different heater control option. According to Ford, it's the same part number, but mechanical parts and electronic parts, electronic programming are two different things. Okay, so I guess we're going to give up, either put in a new BCM and try and program it. We'll see what happens next. So I just thought of something. I'm going to run the VIN number of the truck that the BCM came out of and do the as-built module data. I've saved this file and see if that address code is different. So I'm going through this one more time, and I notice it's all the 726 ones that I have to enter. I'm just trying to see if it will accept it again. Zero 0801 020038 901 1101 1201 So far it's been all the 726 addresses. 1401 is 0101. 1501. 010146. 1601. 45. I'll pick up when we get to the end. So I get the same error, said the entered module data is incorrect, and let's see which one it flags. Seven 2401. 726 2401. So that's 726 2401. Should be 0010053. And 726 2501. That's 00A0, unless I punched it in wrong. F3. Seven 2601. Well, I'm going to continue to do this. So we're getting close to the list of 726 numbers. This is the last 726 4701. 0176. Let's see what comes up next. Oh my goodness, maybe I entered it wrong the first time. I had one number wrong. So all of the 726 numbers had to be manually entered in. All of those 726 numbers. Well, let's see what happens now. We're gonna do a PATS relearn. See what happens. Well, there's not much point doing a PATS relearn because heater controls don't work. Heater fan is running at a moderate speed. The heater controls light up, but they don't respond. There's no control over the fan speed. Can't turn it off. Okay, I give up. Ford, you win. So there's the original BCM back in this thing. You can see it works now. Heater fan's running on high. Turn the fan speed down. Running on high again. Turn it off. Back on. Recirc. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to buy a new BCM from Ford.